Jurassic creatures, so be on the lookout.
Our first destination is Padlock 21, home to one of our most mature velociraptors.
Hey, I just got a warning here for power loss in 21.
That's the building they're in.
Okay, hold on everybody. We need to get you out of that building. Alright, I found a clear path out of the enclosure.
Take it! Velociraptors have taken over the biodome too.
I'll take them through the maintenance emergency exit. Hold on everybody. Wow, I am sorry for getting you guys mixed up in this.
I don't think it's over yet.
Well, at least everybody lived through the tour, so please visit us again. And for anyone that asks, your guides were not John and Kennedy.
Please gather your personal belongings. That is, whatever you still have left, and exit to your right.